Hello, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence, or as we often call it, AI. My name is Rasool, and over the years, I've been deeply involved in the study and research of AI. I earned my PhD in computer architecture from the Polytechnic University of Catalonia, and I'm the founder of Techwich, an educational group dedicated to making complex technological concepts accessible to everyone. AI is one of those terms that seems to pop up everywhere these days. It's in our news feeds, our conversations, our devices, even in our homes. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? How does it work? And why is it becoming such an integral part of our lives? These are some of the questions we're going to explore together. Over the course of this podcast series, we'll delve deep into the realms of AI, starting from the very basics and gradually moving into more advanced topics. My hope is that by the end of our journey, you'll not only understand what AI is, but also feel confident discussing it like an expert. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone curious about AI, there's something here for you. So let's get started. Imagine you're sitting with a friend over coffee, and they ask, "What exactly is artificial intelligence?" How would you respond? Well, at its core, AI is about creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks might include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, or making decisions. Think about when you use your smartphone to get directions. You input your destination, and within seconds it provides the fastest route, considering current traffic conditions. Or when you ask a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, and it does so immediately. These are everyday examples of AI at work, making our lives more convenient. But AI isn't just about convenience. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries and opening up possibilities we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images. In finance, it's detecting fraudulent transactions by spotting unusual patterns. In agriculture, AI helps farmers optimize crop yields by analyzing soil data and weather patterns. Now, you might be wondering, how do these AI systems actually learn and make decisions? That's where the concept of machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on allowing machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. It's like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and over time, they learn to identify them based on their features. Let's dive a bit deeper with an example. Imagine we want to create an AI system that can recognize handwritten numbers, like sorting mail by postal codes. We start by collecting thousands of images of handwritten digits, each labeled with the correct number. This data set becomes the learning material for our AI. The system analyzes the images, learning the patterns and variations in how people write each number. Once trained, it can accurately identify handwritten numbers it has never seen before. This is a practical application of supervised learning, a type of machine learning where the system learns from labeled data. Another exciting area is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain structure. These networks consist of layers that process data, extracting increasingly complex features at each layer. Deep learning has led to breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. For instance, it's behind the technology that allows self-driving cars to recognize pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. But let's bring this back to a personal level. Consider recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix or Spotify. Have you noticed how they suggest movies or songs you might like? That's AI analyzing your viewing or listening history and comparing it to others with similar tastes to predict what you might enjoy next. It's all about pattern recognition and prediction. Now, while AI offers incredible benefits, it's important to discuss the ethical considerations. One major concern is bias in AI systems. Since AI learns from data provided by humans, it can inadvertently inherit biases present in that data. For example, if an AI system used for hiring is trained on data where a certain group is underrepresented, it may unfairly favor candidates from overrepresented groups. This highlights the need for diverse and representative data sets in training AI. Privacy is another critical issue. AI systems often require large amounts of personal data to function effectively. It's essential to handle this data responsibly, ensuring individuals' privacy is protected and data is used ethically. Regulations like the GDPR aim to address these concerns by setting guidelines for data protection. There's also the impact of AI on employment. Automation can displace certain jobs, leading to economic and social challenges. However, it's also creating new opportunities and industries. The key is to prepare for these changes through education and reskilling. So where do you fit into all of this? Understanding AI is becoming increasingly important, regardless of your field. Whether you're in technology, healthcare, finance, education, or any other area, AI is likely to impact your work. By gaining knowledge about AI, you can better adapt to changes, leverage new tools, and even contribute to shaping how AI develops in the future. Throughout this podcast series, we'll explore various aspects of AI in depth. We'll start by looking at the foundational concepts, ensuring we have a solid understanding of how AI systems are built and how they function. From there, we'll delve into different machine learning techniques like supervised and unsupervised learning and discuss real-world applications. For instance, we'll examine how unsupervised learning can be used for customer segmentation and marketing. By analyzing purchasing behavior without predefined categories, companies can identify distinct groups and tailor their strategies accordingly. We'll also explore reinforcement learning, where AI learns by interacting with an environment, making decisions, and receiving feedback. This approach is used in training AI for complex tasks like game playing and robotics. In addition, we'll discuss deep learning in greater detail, covering how neural networks are used for image and speech recognition. We'll explore natural language processing, which enables AI to understand and generate human language. This has applications in chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis, among others. And of course, we'll continue to address the ethical and societal implications of AI. We'll talk about strategies for mitigating bias, protecting privacy, and ensuring that AI development aligns with human values. It's crucial that as AI advances, it does so in a way that benefits society as a whole. But I want this podcast to be more than just me sharing information with you. I encourage you to engage with the content actively. Think critically about the topics we discuss, ask questions, and consider how AI might impact your life and the world around you. If you have specific questions or topics you'd like me to address, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now, as we look ahead, our next episode will focus on the history and evolution of AI. We'll take a journey through time, exploring how AI originated, key milestones in its development, and how we've arrived at where we are today. Understanding the historical context will give us valuable insights into the challenges and triumphs that have shaped AI, providing a foundation for the topics we'll explore later. Before we wrap up today's conversation, I want to emphasize that this journey is about making AI approachable and understandable. My aim is to break down complex concepts into relatable ideas, using real-world examples to illustrate how AI operates and affects our lives. I also want to let you know that if you're interested in diving deeper into professional technology courses, you can visit techwich.org. We offer a range of resources designed to help you expand your knowledge and skills in AI and other technological fields. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm truly excited about the journey ahead and look forward to exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence with you. Remember, AI isn't just a buzzword or a distant concept. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping our world, and understanding it is the first step toward harnessing its potential. Until next time, stay curious, keep asking questions, and I'll catch you in the next episode, where we'll delve into the rich history of AI and uncover the stories that have shaped this fascinating field. Take care, and see you soon.